Morning, guys. We are on our way for a day to Hawes, a day trip to Hawes, and we've come across Ribblehead Viaduct. Have a look at this. Let's go and have a closer look. Look, guys, there's a train. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a train coming over. It's like a cargo train. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Been here a few times, and I don't ever remember seeing a train, and today I've seen two. What does it say on it? GBRF. That's pretty cool, isn't it? It's an impressive structure. I would tell you something about it, but I haven't got any signal to find out. However, I do believe down here somewhere there is a plaque. Let's go and see if we can find some information for you. There's a lot of cars parked here today, but it's fairly quiet around here. Wow. Here we go. Let's see what this says. 1875 to 1991. Ribblehead Viaduct. Built between 1870 and 1875. Was fully restored in 3 stages between 1988 and 1991 by British Rail with the support of the following organisations. The English Heritage, North Yorkshire County Council and Carlisle City Council. Here we go, guys. We've got some shanty towns. Salt Lake, Batty Green, Inkerman, Sebastopol, Belgravia, Jericho, Jerusalem, Tunnel Huts and Bleemore. Just look up here. It's massive. Truly massive. Here we go, guys. Here comes the train. Come all these times, see no trains. Today, this is the third. It's a busy line. What have we got this time? It's the same as last time. Different freight. Busy day for cargo. I think this one is about 20 carriages long, maybe? 20 cargo carriages. Hi guys, sorry to disturb the video, but I just wanted to remind everybody about my giveaway. It is still open and I'd love it if you could all hop on over and enter. Oh, found a bit of shelter underneath the arches. where our next stop is going to be Hawes. We will take you along with us. I'll show you a bit of the journey. It's so pretty around here in the Yorkshire Dales. What a stunning drive that was. I really enjoyed it. I am now really hungry, so we've parked up at the Dales Museum car park and we're coming to their cafe. It looks like the building's having a bit of work, but it's open as usual. Look at this cool train. This is part of the museum.
Give away. No, we're good anyway.
We've been for our lunch. It was very nice. Now we're going to have a little explore around Hawes village. I remember last time we came here, this was absolutely gushing with water, but of course it's been really dry lately. Oh look, an antique shop. Yay! Potty chair. Tiny potty chair. And a grandfather clock. That's a bit cool, isn't it? Posh spa. Hawes is the highest market town in Yorkshire and is an important agricultural centre with its weekly sales of sheep and cattle at the auction mart. Well, I never. And of course, famous for its Wensleydale cheese. And you got all chippy, closed chippy. Pet shop. A community centre. And a B&B. B&B for you there, guys. You need somewhere to stay. And that is Hawes. Now let's go and find some waterfalls. Who likes a waterfall? Me. Can you see the little, well there's two, can you see the little ducklings down there in the water? Let me see if I can zoom in. Aww. Cute. Right, back to the car and off to the waterfall.
Right into the little...
Here's a weighbridge. However, unless you've got eyesight that's fabulous, you won't see it. Oh, actually, we can go and see it. Let's go. Andiamo. Here we go. The car park you were standing in was once the site of a busy railway goods yard. The Wensleydale Railway opened in 1878 and ran from Laban to Hawes and up onto the Settle Carlisle Railway at Garsdale. There you go. Bit of facts for you. Coming up shortly on your right, guys, is Hawes' famous Wensleydale Creamery. You can go in and buy some cheese, or you can have a look around and see how they make the cheese. It's a great day out. Right, guys, we have paid. We are through. This waterfall is privately owned, and it was £8 for both of us. Let's go on a walk. Danger, beware of falling rocks. Do not walk behind the waterfall. I won't, don't worry. Let's read this sign. It says, warning, persons entering hard row, scour grounds. Please at their own risk. Walking behind the waterfall and near overhanging rock is prohibited. The owners are not held responsible for any loss or injury by landslide and falling rocks. I think today will be quite safe from landslide because it's dry. And it's been dry for ages. Which way? This way? Or this way? We have a map. Let's go this way. I think you usually just go off on your own, and I just admire it from the bottom. There's some steps that go all the way up there.
There we go, up there.
Yeah. Over the bridge. Hope there's no trolls. You can hear the water. Wanna go, guys? It's a lovely day for this nice little walk. Stretching the old legs. There's some steps up there. Looks like you can go up there. I won't be doing today, maybe another day. It is so peaceful, guys. Listen to the water. And the sound of my crunching feet. What's in this stone half a building? Let's have a look. It's not a lot. Have you seen this before, guys? Seen it a few places when people put their coins in the tree. Do you know why? Let me know in the comments. Listen to that, guys. Can you hear the water? Now, we're at the waterfall. Let me spin you round and look at it. You are going to be amazed. Look at that. It's quite poor today, isn't it? Now, we've been before and it is a fabulous waterfall. It is like the tallest single drop waterfall. Is it in England? I will find out for you. But of course, it's been dry in the UK, as you all know, for a good while now. So it's not as impressive as it could be, but it sounds beautiful. Let's get a little bit closer. It's pretty, and it does obviously get a bit more impressive when there's been a bit of rain. However, is it worth £8? Well, £4 if there's one of you. It's a nice walk, it's a beautiful setting. What do you guys think? Would you pay £4 to come and see this? Do you know what, guys? Even without much rain recently, it's very magical. It's like a little fairy glen. You've got your lovely little bridge. Oh, Kim's not looking where she's going. You've got your lovely little bridge over there I was just stood on before. It is pretty. I don't know if you can see that on this camera, but right at the bottom where it's hitting the rocks, there's like a little rainbow. There we go, we zoomed in a bit. Can you see that? It's like a little rainbow. I do love this little bridge. It's very quaint. Are we going back this way? We are going back this way. We're going back that way. And the little quaint bridge. Now we're over the other side of the river. Different perspective of the waterfall for you. Here we are, guys, we're a little bit closer. Now, I've just noticed on the back of the map, it does tell you that Jawdropping is England's highest single drop waterfall, set within 15 acres of wooded grounds in Upper Wensleydale. And it says there's a choice of 2 walks. The lower, which we've taken today, takes about 15 minutes to reach the base and is level. And the upper is a more strenuous horseshoe-shaped walk involving stone steps, which takes 25 minutes. Both start and end at the visitors centre. It says hard raw force falling 100 feet through the Yorkshire Dales series of rocks to the pool below. So it's a 100-foot single drop waterfall. There goes Mr. Kim Luxia. And guess what, guys? He's not in his orange coat. Glorious day, we don't need one. You look so tiny down there. In fact, just to put it into perspective, guys, how tall this is, because you can't actually sort of picture it on the screen. Mr. Kim Luxia, can you see him down there in his blue top? Now you can put into perspective how tall it is. Well, I must say that was an amazing day. We've seen some beautiful things and it's just what I needed. We are now driving back and I'm including a few clips because it's just so beautiful. The Yorkshire Dales are stunning. If you look now, guys, to your right, you can see Ribblehead Viaduct. That is where we went this morning. It's an impressive structure. And here on the left is Ingleton Caves. A great day out if you're in the area. Right, we are back in the car. Thank you so much for coming with us. We've had a lovely day. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you have, give it a like. Please subscribe. I'd be so grateful. We're now at 105 subscribers and I'd love to get to 200 very soon. I will see you on the next one. Ciao for now.